Okay, so this is the lab directions. The first thing that you should do is open up the Solutions Lab and download the document. It should send it to Notability. Document looks like this over here. I just have it open in Google Drive so you can see what it looks like. Okay, and first page is all about lab number 1, so you'll need this link right here. Second page is all about lab number 2, which is the link that you'll need right here. Okay, so when I open up lab link 1, it'll take me to this page. Okay, and what it says is put the object that looks like crosshair into the water, such as the image to the right. So I'm going to do this. And what's the concentration of the pure water? The answer is 0.000 moles per liter. Okay, and that's what you're going to write right here. Okay, and then you're going to just follow the directions. Shake the drink mix, do that, what blah 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 blah. The drink mix tells you what to do. And it says pull the knob at the top till the volume is 1. So that's what would be this right here. Okay, and then you're going to adjust it there and answer some questions. Okay, so pretty straightforward. And this is the second page here is for lab link 2. It should open to this. Make sure the box next to solution values at the bottom is checked. So I'm checking this right here, and it gives you starting values, solute amount. That's right here, 0.5 moles. Volume 0.5 liters, concentration over here is 1.00 molar. And then it tells you to adjust things. So solute is 0.5, volume is 1 liter. So I'm going to move the volume up to 1 liter. And notice, oops, it's not quite 1 liter. And then now my solution is 0.0500 molar, which is what I would put right here, 0.500 molar. Okay, and then you're going to make adjustments as it says to do in the boxes. All right. And then answer some questions and follow along based on this, and then re-upload the lab. Shouldn't take you too long, but it's a really important component for what we're doing this unit. All right, love you guys. Bye.